In construction, contracting, and service industries, managing leads, estimates, proposals, and follow ups is critical to winning more projects. Without the right system, it's easy for leads to fall through the cracks or for your sales pipeline to become disorganized. FollowUp CRM was designed to solve exactly that problem. FollowUp CRM is a cloud based platform built to streamline lead management, track bids, and help teams stay consistent with their sales process. It's used by contractors, subcontractors, and construction companies to bring structure to what can often be a chaotic sales cycle. In this video, we'll walk through FollowUp CRM, break down its core features, and explain how it supports your sales workflow from initial lead capture all the way to project close. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the simple lead management and pipeline tracking. FollowUp CRM provides a visual pipeline where you can track leads through customizable stages: new lead, estimate sent, follow-up scheduled, won or lost. Each lead record stores company details, contacts, job information, notes, and related documents. You get a centralized place for all lead information, making it easy to know exactly where each opportunity stands. No more digging through emails or spreadsheets to see who needs a call or follow up. Another key feature is the automated reminders and follow ups. One of FollowUp CRM's strongest features is its built in follow up reminders. Users can schedule follow ups for calls, emails, or meetings and receive notifications when tasks are due. It also logs all past interactions so anyone on the team can see the full history. You maintain consistent communication with prospects, increasing the chance of winning projects. No lead is forgotten, and you build a reputation for reliability and professionalism. Another key feature is the proposal and document management. The platform lets you attach estimates, proposals, and any job related documents directly to a lead or project record. You can also store standard proposal templates and reuse them across multiple opportunities. Proposals stay organized and your team can access the right documents instantly. This improves turnaround time for bids and ensures brand consistency in materials you send out. Another key feature is the reporting and sales metrics. FollowUp CRM includes built-in reports that track win/loss rates, sales volume by stage, close percentage by salesperson, and revenue forecasts. You can generate detailed pipeline and activity reports to keep leadership informed. Data driven insights help you spot where deals are stalling and identify your top performing reps. This lets you refine your process and forecast revenue more accurately. Another key feature is the integrations and team collaboration. FollowUp CRM integrates with Microsoft Outlook, Google Workspace, QuickBooks, and project management systems. Team members can tag each other on tasks, see shared calendars, and collaborate on opportunities in real time. Everyone stays aligned and has visibility into the same information, which eliminates silos and miscommunications across departments. So, why is FollowUp CRM a great choice? FollowUp CRM was built specifically with construction and contracting industries in mind, so it fits the way those teams work. Its focus on reminders and consistent communication makes it ideal for businesses that juggle many bids at once. In 2025, the platform has improved its mobile functionality, making it easy for field reps and estimators to log notes or schedule follow ups on the go. It's also added stronger reporting dashboards and tighter integrations with accounting and estimating software, so you can connect your entire sales process without manual data entry. Follow-up CRM is simple enough for smaller teams, but scales well for larger companies with multiple salespeople. It eliminates the guesswork from your sales process and provides accountability, which is critical in competitive industries where margins are tight. So basically, in conclusion, follow-up CRM brings structure and consistency to your sales workflow. With its lead tracking, automated reminders, proposal organization, and robust reporting, you can ensure that no opportunity slips through the cracks and that your team follows a repeatable process on every bid. So if you're ready to close more projects, shorten your sales cycle, and gain full visibility into your pipeline, Follow-up CRM is a great choice for 2025. It's purpose-built for contractors, easy to adopt, and a valuable tool for keeping your business organized and growing. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.